Hello, good eve, sir. I'm Mira Fernangata. In our recent report on written communication and law enforcement, we delve into the significance of effective writing in the field. Join me as I reflect on the key takeaways from our research and discuss how these insights will shape my future career in law enforcement. So let me introduce first what is written communication. Written communication is an essential skill for law enforcement officers. It's not just about filling or paperwork, it's about crafting clear, concise, and accurate reports that can be used in investigations, court cases, and other critical situations. The topic is significant because effective written communication can directly impact the outcome of cases, public safety, and the overall. So, throughout our exploration of written communication, I've gained a deeper appreciation for the power of words. It's amazing how well crafted sentence can convey complex ideas and influence decisions. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned is the importance of clarity and objectivity. As law enforcement officers, we must present information in a way that is easy to understand and free from bias. This requires careful attention to grammar, punctuation, and other choice. This knowledge and skills I've acquired in written communication will undoubtedly benefit me in my future career as a law enforcement officer. I can envision myself using these skills to write detailed incident reports, articulate clear and concise testimony in court, and draft persuasive graph and proposals.
And also, strong written communication skills will help me build rapport with colleagues, supervisors, and the members of the community. By expressing myself clearly and effectively, I can foster trust and collaboration, which are essential for successful law enforcement work.
Effective written communication is a cornerstone of law enforcement. By mastering this skill, I am better equipped to serve and protect my community. I am excited to apply these principles to real-world situations and contribute to the ongoing missions of law enforcement. That's all. Thank you.